Maserati Levante in for the can immobiliser. So the can immo comes with an emergency override code. Our contact details in the pack as well. We're also doing a promotion on the Bluetooth tag, so you get free Bluetooth tag, leather case, free Faraday bag. We also give you spare battery and a little screwdriver to be able to change it all in your pack. So you've got everything you need. So let me show you how this one works. So this one will start and run. But if we try and select gear, nothing at all. Absolutely immobilised. So now if I enter the customer's demo code, I just do something very simple. It's up, up, down, down. See the hazards flash there. Now when we try and select gear, it goes into gear, back into park. And this one, when we switch it off, doesn't arm till we exit the vehicle. So we can restart again, very convenient. As soon as you exit the vehicle, double flash the indication and we're back immobilised. So we'll start the vehicle again, no gear selection. So this is a can immo and a Maserati Levante. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Lit Car Security 0333 012 9028.